Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to determine the primary root zonation, that means the length of each zone. As you might know, in the primary root we have a root cap in the end that protects this meristematic zone where the cell divide, and then we have an elongation zone where cell elongates, and then the differentiating zone where the cells are differentiated into different tissues. This is how this primary root appear under a stereo microscope, so it's not clear the zonation if you see under the microscope. So the normal procedure I follow is just take the length from this tip to this first root appearing place. So moving on to measurements. As I showed you earlier video, I'm going to use the ImageJ software for this purpose. So after you download, and also I forgot to mention, we have a good user guide that you can see all the functions in this software. So after you download this, you can just open the app and then go to just file open, and then open your roots. And also if there is no scale in the micrograph, you can just open your scale as well. So I have already opened these windows, so I'm going to use this. So first I need to just set the scale for this one. So right click on this different toolbars, and then I use the straight line to get the scale. I prefer using the millimeter or centimeter values rather than these micrometer values, so I just you go to set scale, and this is 1 millimeter. So if you click on global, then each time if you open the micrographs having the same scale, then it will automatically set up this 1 millimeter. Or else you can just draw a line here, and this go to set scale and set the micrometer scale. And then I am going to open my window here for this root tip measurements, and then I'm going to zoom out this one using a control left click, so I can see my root clearly, and use the hand tool to move this micrograph. And then using a line you prefer, just draw a line. I'm going to use the segmented line for this purpose. So it seems this is the place where the first root here appears, so I'm going to draw a line. So you can just click here, just one click, and then when it comes to the end of the drawing, you can just double click and then go to analyze, measure, or else you can just use Control M and another window will appear with your diameter. So this is the diameter, that means 0.8 millimeter is this length, and you can just copy paste into an Excel file this one, and then analyze your data. Thank you and good luck with your experiments.